What's up, everyone? So today's my day off and I love to get down in the kitchen. Tonight I'm making some New York steak and I like my steak medium rare, and the way I season it, very simple: black pepper and salt, and that's it. I got these steaks at Costco and I'm gonna go ahead and heat up the oven at 425, and while the oven's heating it up, I'm gonna prep my other food like asparagus. I love asparagus and rice. We can never go wrong with rice, y'all. Us Asian, we eat anything with rice and that's just gonna fill you up, you know what I mean? So while the rice is cooking, I'm gonna put the meat in, and while the meat is cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and set it up for the asparagus. So I'm gonna add some oil, drop the asparagus in, drop a little butter, and of course a little salt. You know, a little salt goes a long way in the asparagus, and bam, look at that asparagus. And I love myself some Caesar salad. You know why I like Caesar salad when I'm eating New York steak? Because it makes me poop a lot easier. You know, anything with vegetable, things just go out a little bit nicer the next day, y'all. You know what I mean? So go ahead and mix that up really good, and while that meat is done cooking, I'm gonna wait for 10 minutes before I kind of fry it up a little. But let's check on the rice. That rice looks bomb. So now after 10 minutes, I'm gonna put that meat in for 1 minute on each side, y'all. Just get that nice tar going on, you know what I mean? But look at that meat. Look how pink it is in the middle. Let me do a taste test real quick. That is so bomb. But since my family's not home yet, I'm gonna go ahead and eat because I hate waiting on people when I'm cooking some good food, y'all. I'm gonna enjoy myself first. And at the end, that thing was bomb.com.